Are you tired of watching your email list shrink with every send due to unsubscribes? What if you could turn some of those exits into resubscribers? In this video, I'll show you a simple Mailchimp strategy that lets you recover lost subscribers and keeps your audience engaged. So let's get started. Here's the strategy. Once a subscriber clicks unsubscribe in the email, instead of sending them to a generic "you're unsubscribed" page, we'll redirect them to a landing page. This page gives them a reason to reconsider, maybe an exclusive offer or a special resource, or just a friendly message asking if they really meant to leave. And if they decide to resubscribe, we'll tag them in Mailchimp and automatically send them an email through Customer Journey with their incentive. This not only helps recover lost subscribers, but also keeps them engaged with content they actually want. So let's head over to Mailchimp and start setting this up. Our first step is to create the landing page that will be our redirect on unsubscribe. To do that, we click on the Create button, then we click on Build a Landing Page. Here we'll give it a name. We'll give it something like Don't Ghost Us Just Yet. If you have more than one audience, make sure you're selecting the appropriate audience here, because once you create a landing page, you won't be able to change it. So we're doing this in our test audience, and we'll click on Begin. From here, you can select a template. We're just going to use the Grow Your List, the basic one down here. We'll make some adjustments here, lower the logo here. Our headline will be the same that we just put in for the name. Then we'll put in some text here. Click on Save and Close there, add another text box, change the font style to be heading 3. There we go. And our incentive will be 30% off. And then our button, scroll down here, our button will be, yes, I'm in, something like that. Confirmation message, you can say something here like, success, you've been added back to our mailing list. Your coupon is on its way, something like that. And then we can click Save and Close. You can put in any information here that would be the incentive to get people to subscribe. So that's our basic landing page. We can click on Preview, but we're just going to click on Save and Close. You can adjust this as you see fit. The big piece here is the tag. So under Audience and Tags, we click on Edit Audience. And I've already got a tag created called Resubscribe Coupon. So we'll just select that from here. But if you didn't have that, then you could create your tag right here and click on Save. And we can click on Publish. So now that we have our page published, this is our redirect landing page. We're just going to copy that URL. And then we're going to go over to Other Forms under the Forms tab. This is convoluted, but stick with me here. Scroll down here and go down to the Form Builder, open that up. And then under Forms and Response Emails, we'll have under the Unsubscribe submenu here, we have Unsubscribe Success Page. That's the one that you want. And you'll see here, I already have the URL in there. I'll just switch it out with the one we just created and click on Save. And that's it. And that's all we have to do there. Our next step is to build a journey. So if we just go to all our journeys right here, I already have one active. So let me just show you what that looks like. So we'll click on here and click on View Journey. And I'll just pause to make edits here so that we can see it. Contact is tagged Resubscribe Coupon, right? That's the tag associated with our landing page, right? And so that's our starting point. So anyone with that tag will be added to our journey. Our next step is to send them the email with the coupon code, right? So if we click on that, put in your subject line, your schedule, whether or not you want to have Google Analytics tracking it. And then in the edit email content, you can put in your information here about, welcome back. Thanks so much for sticking with us. And then in this case, here's your coupon code and then a link to go shopping in the store. And we'll click on Save and Return to Journey and we'll turn that back on. So what we'll do now is test it all out. Let me just scroll down here that I sent an email out so I can test this out. So we've got unsubscribe from this list. So we'll click on that. We do get this message here that you are no longer going to receive emails. And when we click unsubscribe, it's going to redirect us to our brand new landing page we just created. And we're going to enter our email address again and resubscribe so we get an email. Click on Yes, I'm in. Success. Here's our success message. You've been added back to our mailing list. Your coupon is on its way. And here is our email with our 30% off. This is coming right from the journey automatically. Instead of losing them forever, you're giving them a second chance to stay engaged on their terms. It is a simple but powerful way to turn unsubscribers into loyal fans. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.